what's up, guys? Mari and Jerome here from the Bonsai Supply, and today we are coming to you from probably one of the most beautiful settings for a bonsai exhibition. We are in North Carolina at the Winter Silhouette in Kannapolis.
Yes, and this is a 2-day event full of bonsai exhibitions, demonstrations, vendors, and more. So we can't wait to check it out.
Come on,
Go with us.
let's go. Alright, so as you saw, the setting of this exhibition was really beautiful and the trees were of such high standards. And what I like about this exhibition the most is that it's called the winter silhouette, and the idea is to actually show your tree with the winter silhouette, which makes it so much harder because you can't hide anything on the tree because everything is there. If the tree has all the leaves, you can hide so many flaws. So I think that's really cool and also challenging at the same time.
Yeah, it was such a fun time to see bonsai friends there. To hear the demonstrations were amazing. The vendors were so talented, so many variety as well. We really had a good time, and we hope to go more into in-person bonsai events now. The things are going back to normal. So.
Absolutely. So please let us know what was your favorite tree in the show. Please comment below. And make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. And we will catch you guys next time.